Hey guys, how's it going? Happy Friday, guys. Let's make some money today. Let's get green. End the week on the high note. As you guys can see on Meta, we've been in a range from 113.74 to 123.97. That's the range on the hourly chart. Looks like it's making the 200 support as of right now. It did gap down this morning, getting rejected by previous day high. If you guys are not familiar with the previous day high loan strategy, I dropped a video on it, so check that out, guys. Um, so obviously for me, it would have to be, today's just one of them days where you guys need to sit back and let the trades come to you. Try not to FOMO, try not to rush into trades. 80 or 90% of trading is just waiting for the right opportunity. Um, jump to Tesla real quick. As you can see on the 1 hour chart, it looks like it's making the 50 resistance. The 50 EMAs are the red. Like I said, look how long it's been resistance for. Still looks like it can't make it true support. So for my call trigger, obviously we have to be above the 50. Let's say right about, honestly, I'd like to see it above previous day high. But we could probably get a scalp from 121 will be my call trigger. And then my first price target for the calls will be 123 right at previous day high. 123.29. And then my next price target will be 124.70. And then my last call price target will be right here at 126.54. 126.54. That's for the call side, guys. On the put side, as you can see, there's a gap to fill. If it breaks, so like I said before, I don't know if you guys remember, there's a lot of support right here at the pre-gap fill. So obviously it gapped up, and then there's the gap there that needs to be filled. There's also a gap down here that needs to be filled as well. So just keep that in mind. Um, I'm gonna say my put trigger will be right below previous day low at 117, and then just keep in mind about this pre-gap fill. It might bounce at the pre-gap fill. Um, my next price target will be right here at 116.20 for the puts. My next price target will be obviously the gap fill at 114, like 114.01 ish, and then my last price target will be right here at 111. Now, if I see it, keep breaking down, failing to, make these levels support, I'm gonna try to ride it down to the gap fill today. We'll see though. I'm more of a scalper, in and out. I don't like to hold. I don't like to. I like to just get in at certain points, take my profit, and run in and out, bank robber style. If you guys have any stocks you guys need levels on, just drop it in the chat, and I'll take care of you guys. Let's go over AMD real quick. Looks like it's making the 50 resistance. As you can see, the 50 on my chart, the 50 EMA is the red line, this red solid line. Look at it. As you guys can see, it's been resistance for a long time as well. So for it to any of these stocks to take the next leg up, it would have to make the 50 EMA support. So as of right now, as you can see, it gapped down this morning. There's also a gap below. So for me, for the calls, it would obviously have to be above this gap fill. So I would say previous day high 65. Let me see. Right around here. Is there? So 65.27 will be my call trigger. My first price target will be right here at 65.75. My second price target will be 66.36. And then my last price target will be for the calls will be the 200 EMA at 67.13. Now, guys, these price targets do understand that I usually scale out at the first price target. I usually don't wait because, like I said, I'm a scalper, in and out. So, if you hold these, when you hit these price targets, at least, trim. At least, sell some of your position at the first one, the second one, the third one. I personally just sell them all at one time. I don't really ever ride it down because you never really know what the market's going to do. For the put trigger, I'd like to see it right 63.40 would be the put trigger. Obviously, the first price target is going to be previous day low. That's where the pre-gap is. Look for a bounce right there at 63.08. That'll be my first price target. And then my second price target is going to be the gap fill. And I'll be looking for a reversal right here at 62.61 because it'll most likely do a gap fill reversal. If you see it, good morning, Harry. If you see it, for a quick scalp, guys, you could scalp these quick. But you got to be pretty good at it for the gap fill reversal. Sometimes it's a strong gap fill reversal and continues to reverse. Sometimes it's just a little micro boom and you can make some money on it. And then my last price target will be right here at 62.61. And that's the call and put triggers for the day. If you guys have any other stocks you guys want me to go on to and do price targets for you guys, just drop them in the chat. Also, I'm going to do SPY right now. Also, guys, give the stream a like. It'll help with the algos. Let's see. It did gap down this morning. There's a gap below. Also, I want everybody to realize that majority of these stocks follow the market. So if you watch the market, you could kind of tell where these stocks are headed. So let me see for the call trigger. Like I said, I'd like to be above the gap. Right here. 663. I'm sorry. 383.41 will be my call trigger. My first price target will be, 84.39, which is previous day high. And then my second price target will be right here at 35.21, 385.21. Sorry guys, I can't speak this morning for some reason. And then my last price target will be 86.08, which is the 200 EMA on the hourly chart. Also, I want you guys to know that a lot of things, Chuckles, it's actually mooning that stock right now. Like I said, most penny stocks that don't have options available, they could squeeze. They have that squeeze potential. So, a real squeeze potential. But for the puts, I'm going to say 379.74 will be my put target. My put trigger. Sorry guys, I cannot speak this morning for some reason. My first price target will be previous day low at 379.10. And then my next price target will be pre-gap fill because there's usually a lot of support right there before it tries to fill the gap at 378.50. And then my last price target, well, there's a price target in between here too, which is 377.96. And then my last price target will be the gap fill on the support at 377.14 ish. So, guys, let's make some money today. If you guys have any questions, type it in the chat. Let's go over them. Any stocks you guys want price targets and alerts on. Now, if these things change as the market comes, um, as the market plays out throughout the day. So if you guys click the link and join the Discord, we walk you right through it on the voice channel. There's a lot of different things that could happen, even though I give you these price alerts and price targets. Um, a lot, it could come down and then use this as support and then go back up. And we call it out live in voice if you guys are interested. Also, we have bots and we have custom indicators, all that good stuff. Um, I'm gonna give you. Looks like it's everything. See how everything is almost in unison. Everything's been rejected by the 50 for a long period of time on the later time frame on the hourly chart. So, um, for puts on Apple, I would do 127.62. That would be my put trigger. My first price target would be pre-gap fill, which will be 127.20, and then gap, well, right here it could bounce right here at 126.60. And these are for puts, guys, and then the gap fill right here at 126.24. For the call trigger, see, that's the thing. I could give you guys these price alerts and all this good stuff, but also it could bounce right here. So it could bounce at previous day low. If you guys are not familiar with the previous day high and low strategy, I suggest you guys go to the YouTube, look at the videos. I dropped a video on the day trading hack. Check it out. I mean, it works so good, guys. I usually make a lot of money off of that strategy, combined with a couple other strategies, and reading price action, custom indicators. I put all that stuff together to make one huge, strategy. I mean, for the calls, I would for calls, unless it bounces right here at previous day low. If it bounces here at previous day low, like when the market comes, I see it bouncing, I'll probably get in calls and ride it up to right here at 128.76. Next price target will be 129.31, and then my last price target will be right here at be almost previous day high at 130.29, guys. Mullen, yeah. Honestly, guys, I'd stay away from penny stocks. If you guys want to be consistently profitable, I stay away from penny stocks because of all the manipulations, the halts, all that good stuff. There's other stocks out there that are less risky. Now, if you're a good trader, guys, and you know how to get in at certain points and take profit at certain points, then penny stocks are okay. But just know that there's a lot better ways and safer ways to make money. Most of these penny stocks are pump and dumps. Like I used to play MULN back when it was $4, and it just I would just learn to stay away, especially if you're playing options. The amount of money you spend on AMC contracts or MULN or any of these penny stocks, you could get options on Walmart, AMD, Amazon, Meta. I mean, the price difference is not that much. So let me see here. As you can see, it got rejected at previous day high. See if there's any gaps above. There is right here. 93% of gaps all get filled. I can't believe the stock's only 20 something cents. I haven't looked at it in a while. It does look overbought on the hourly chart. If you're looking to go long on it, I would personally wait for it to get above previous day high at 26.79. As long as it stays above the 200 EMA though, it's pretty bullish. So you might see it come down, retest the previous the 200 EMA, which is at 2368. If you see it come down here and start, breaking down and then coming back up and retesting it and making it resistance. See how it made it resistance here and then fell off? You see that? So just keep your eye on it. I'm bullish as long as it stays above the 200 EMA on the hourly chart. I use the hourly chart because that's where the pivot is. That's like the pivot point, the 50 and the 200 on the later time frames. They go a long way. This looks pretty bearish though, as you can see. This is MACD RSI's curling over, stochastics curling over. The TTM has the first dark blue bar, so it does look like it's going to cool off. Like I said, we'll most likely come and test the 200 to see if it's true support. As you can see, even though it jumps up above the 200 here, see how it gets rejected? That's not support. Tries again, not support, gets knocked down. So it's probably most likely going to come and test the 200 to make sure it's support. Now, if you see it come over here, and test the 200 and use it as support, most likely it's going to go right back up. So just keep that in mind on that one. Let me see, let's go to the daily real quick on this. There's a gap to fill right here at 47 cents. There's a bunch of gaps to fill. Now, if you're an investor and you just want to buy and hold, that's something totally different. I'm not in the market for that. I'm just scalping, guys. That's what I mostly do. But it does look bullish right now. As you can see, here's a look at the doji candle on the daily. That's usually a trend reversal candle right here. As you can see, this is almost in the doji. This is a doji. See the doji. See how it's all about pattern recognition, guys. Doji at this same level, and you can see it pump. Look at the candles; they're not much difference. So, do or die on this stock on MULN is 29 cents. 29 cents. 29.04. If it needs to make the 50 support on the daily. Now, if it goes up here and you see it, struggling, it's most likely going to come back down. But as you can see, there's huge support at 18 cents. So, yeah, just keep that in mind. See the 4-hour real quick. Yeah. All these levels need to be made support, which is obviously on the daily. The 50 is the 200 on the 4-hour chart. So, yeah, penny stocks are okay, but a lot of these people need to understand that they buy these penny stocks. It goes against them. They want to bag holding and adding and adding and adding and adding. That's really not the way we do it here. We like to be profitable every single day, or at least try to be. You're going to have them days where you're not profitable. But I would just personally, like I said, I don't want to hold through halts and, a lot of people just play the hype because they're too lazy to learn how to do TA. This Discord that we're in, this is not a follow me Discord. This Discord is come here, learn, we teach you, and then you could execute on yourself, because once you have the knowledge, you could, nobody could take it from you. And then you could, do your own chart analysis, call out plays, and we could all make money together. Like I said, if you're getting thousands of dollars on these positions on penny stocks, there's really no reason you shouldn't be playing options. But and also I really don't swing trade. We have a great swing trader in the group. His name is Jim C. He's just a monster at swing trading. I don't swing trade because you never know what the market's going to do overnight. It's more risk to reward. Like I said, I'm in and out. Bank robber style. Yes, I leave money on the table. There's times I get out with 20% profit, and it would have been a 200%er. But ultimately, you do not know what the market's going to do at the time. It's like robbing a bank. If you rob a bank, if you put money in a duffel bag, whatever you drop on the floor, you don't pick up. You just leave. So it is what it is. So like I said, I'm just in it for quick scalps. If you size in right, with quick scalps, you can make a decent return in a couple minutes. I don't like to hold. I like to make 1 or 2 trades a day. So that's just, discipline is key in the market. But that's pretty much it. Like I said, I'm only making 1 or 2 trades a day. I don't care if I see another setup, an hour later that looks juicy. I'm still not going to get in. I'm still not going to, take that chance. It's like the casino. When you're up on the casino, you don't keep gambling because you're going to lose all your money away. The only thing we have control over in this market is our exposure to it and how much we expose ourselves to it. So if you're taking 10 trades and I'm taking 2 trades, who has more risk? Obviously you do, because I'm only taking 2 trades. But thanks, guys. I'm going to jump off here. I got to put in some price alerts in the Discord. Chuckles, Amber, Harry, I'll see you guys in the Discord. Everybody have a good day. Happy Friday. Guys, check out the link. Check out the Discord. 3 free day trial. You guys